Hi there. Welcome to AI Product Formula. This YouTube channel helps you create amazing digital products using artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT to edit PLR products, such as eBooks, lead magnets, checklists, PowerPoint slides, and even turn them into video scripts. But first, let's define what PLR products are. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which means that you can legally purchase a product and modify it to your liking. This can be a great way to save time and money, but it's important to make sure that you're not infringing on any copyrights. Let's talk about the different types of licenses you may come across when purchasing digital products. There are three main types of licenses: PLR, Private Label Rights, Master Resale Rights, MRR, and Resale Rights. PLR licenses typically allow you to modify the product and use it as your own. This means you can add your own branding, change the content, and sell it as if it were your own product. PLR licenses are usually the most expansive type of license because they give you the most freedom to make the product your own. Master Resale Rights licenses give you the right to sell the product and the resale rights to others. This means that you can sell the product and then sell the rights to others to sell the product as well. This can be a great way to make money, but it's important to note that not all MRR licenses are created equal. Some MRR licenses may limit how much you can charge for the product or how many copies you can sell. Resale rights licenses, on the other hand, give you the right to sell the product, but not the rights to sell the product to others. This means that you can sell the product, but you cannot sell the rights to others to sell the product as well. Resale rights licenses come with the most restrictions. It's important to read the terms and conditions of the license carefully before purchasing a product. So, how can you use ChatGPT to edit PLR products? ChatGPT is a language model that can generate text based on a prompt you give it. You can use it to rephrase sentences, add new content, or even generate entirely new sections. All you need to do is provide the original text as a prompt, and ChatGPT will give you new, unique content. This is especially useful if you want to make the PLR product your own and make it stand out from the competition. Now let's talk about how to turn your PLR products into videos. To do this, you can use a tool called Pictory. Pictory is a video creation platform that uses AI to turn text into engaging video content. You can simply copy and paste the text from your PLR product into Pictory, and it will create a video script for you. You can then customize the video with images, music, and other effects. But what if you don't want to use your own voice for the video? No problem. You can use a tool called 11 Labs to do human-sounding text-to-speech. This tool can make your video sound like it was narrated by a professional voice actor. Simply copy and paste the text from your video script into 11 Labs, and it will generate a voiceover for you. Now let's move on to creating the graphics for your PLR product. Canva is a great tool for creating ebook covers and images for PowerPoint slides. You can choose from a variety of templates and customize them to your liking. Canva is also a great way to ensure that your graphics are consistent with your branding. Speaking of PowerPoint slides, it's important to keep them simple and to the point. Use no more than 5 points per slide and make sure that each point is brief and easy to understand. This will help your audience stay engaged and focused on your message. Finally, let's talk about editing the text of your ebook to make it unique and new. Quillbot is a great tool for this. Quillbot uses AI to rephrase sentences and paragraphs, so you can make your PLR product stand out from the crowd. Simply copy and paste the text from your ebook into Quillbot, and it will give you new, unique content. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, 11 Labs, Canva, and Quillbot can make editing PLR products a breeze. Whether you're creating an ebook, a lead magnet, a checklist, or a PowerPoint presentation, these tools can help you create high-quality content in less time. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please consider smashing the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please, hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. And while you're at it, why not share this video with your friends and leave a comment down below? We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.